Hello, welcome to the lab exercise, and this exercise I am going to present about the 9/11 calls. How many calls has been happened, and it's split into depends on the date and hour and the minutes. That's 9 and 11 calls tables database has been given, and from this table database using Python, different NumPy, Pandas and Seaborn library, we need to read, and after reading we need to split the date, hours, minutes, and we need to plot the counts about the how much fire happened, traffic things happened, and EMS happened, and this is splitting into depends on the day of the week and split into the month. And after that I'm going to generate the going one step little deeper about heat map and also cluster map. This is I'm going to do it, and that is for the day of week with hour, this is day of week with month, so that we will get to know what happens about in the 9 and 11 calls. So first we need to import NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn and Matplotlib and PyPlot. Everything we need to import it. Once imported, then we can able to see the table in this form. See, I'm not sure what is this LATING and disk and zip. I don't know what it is, but we going to mainly focus on title and timestamp. So just please focus on timestamp and title. And timestamp, it is having date, hour, minutes and second, and title it is having the first, this is 3 unique values there. See here, EMS, fire, traffic, EMS, traffic, just like we are having 3 different values. And after that we are having some other description value that I'm not familiar with that. The main thing, I have to filter this EMS, how many counts has been happened, and this EMS and how in which for every month how many EMS happened, and every hour how many EMS and fire happened. This is I need to plot it out. That let me explain the next slide, next coming description. So first I need to split the reason. So using lambda function I'm applying, filtering the title and applying into the 0th iterate 0, because this is the title. Apply lambda title and applying this title into the split. Once splitting this with the colon, I'm taking the first value, and I count how many counts are there. EMS 48,877, traffic 35,695, fire 14,920. This is how I am going. We have taken. After we have taken, I am plotting with this value. SNS count plot with a reason and data df. That's how I have built this. Once we have done this, the main objective I am going to filter it about happens on a specific time. One, find using Seaborn we need to plot on the cluster map and heat map. So that using heat map we can just go one step further. This EMS, fire and traffic, on how much frequently it is happened on the Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and also hourly how much it is happened, so that we can come to the conclusion whichever this is happened mostly, and we will come to some conclusion. So for this, first I need to divide all the hour from the timestamp. I am dividing, I'm taking the hour, then month, then day of the week. That is how I am taking the value. For this syntax I have given, please have a look on this. Then I am converting the day of the week from string integer into string. That's how I am converting integer into string. Once I have converted using this, I hope you are able to see this. Then you are able to see here count plot. Then see this diagram. Thursday fire is less but traffic is high. Mostly EMS is high, and the highest EMS is happened on Monday and Friday. Monday and Friday the highest event happened, and the month is happened on first month is happened. That is how it is working. And then next I am going to group reason. In this reason it's one thing, the reason it is not separately divided, the EMS fire and other things, but it is counting all the values. Friday and 0 it is have 275, Friday and 1 235. That's how it is filtering. And Wednesday and 6 410. Just like it is having, it is not separately divided, comparing with the day of week and hour. It is total number of occurrence, how many events happened. So if you want to go into deep, we can go from this 3D matrix to 2D matrix. So first let us go through this 3D matrix. So the first thing is, this is the information we finally got it. Day of the week, and day of the week from Friday to Wednesday. It's not proper order. Friday to Wednesday, and the hour from 0 to 23. So how many iteration happens, all the things is present, and once happened, then we are going to plot it. So while checking, see here, we'll see how much 600 happened. For Sunday and Saturday, mostly 600 events happens, and also 21 and 22 also 21th or 22 also 600 happened, and 900th event it has happened mostly on 12 to 18, and also Monday to Friday. This information also happened here. And very low event happened from morning time. This is very morning time. So from morning time very low event happened. From high event happened from 7 to 18th hour, and from 19th to 23rd then again low. This is what I have understood after the data visualization. Then if we go to the cluster map, and the cluster map, the main purpose of this, it is what are the two hours are very close to. That's we will come to the conclusion. So this Sunday and Saturday have very close connection, and Tuesday and Friday have a close connection, and Wednesday and Monday have close. That's it. And other things apart from that, 11 and 18, 9 and 10, 13 and 14, 17th, this is how happened. But if we look into this 900, Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, the cluster map is bit it's not clear information we will get it, but it's like a, because see here it is Sunday, Saturday, Tuesday, Friday, Wednesday. This is also not in the proper, and here also it is not in the proper order or sequence. So to come to conclusion is, but we can know one information, what are the two events come closer to Sunday and Saturday, and Thursday and Friday, Monday and Monday. This is how we will get the information very close to. This is day of the week with the hour, and the day of the week with a month. I am going to take this information, and day of the week with a month. See here the 7th month. Seventh month, it is having middle value, and low value it is having 8th and 12th month. We are having low value, and high value it is having happened on 1st, 2nd, 3rd. This is what happened. That's how it's work. And cool map, color map, color map, and this is, we'll check about Tuesday and Monday. Let me confirm with that information. Tuesday and Monday is close to Tuesday, Monday, yes, but somehow close to. Then Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday, oh no, this hour data and monthly data, it is not matching. It's not matching means it is hourly. The information may be correct, but it is not. We can, if we are going to take any decision on monthly basis, we can take this decision. So here Saturday, Sunday high attrition happened. Here also high information happened. And Tuesday, first 250. First month it is happened on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Fourth month it is happened on Friday. 7th month it is happened on Friday. 3rd month it is happened on Wednesday and Thursdays. This is how it will be work. Be familiar with the syntax. Syntax is be easy. We need to be familiar with and practice, and so that we'll make it clear. Thank you. Thanks for watching.